Alright, well thank you for watching. In today's lesson I'm going to go over a couple examples we did from class. This is over the transformation section, and all we're going to be working on today is reflections, which is when I take an image and then I flip it across a given line. So let's read the directions here. It says graph the image of the figure using the transformation given. So a reflection across the x-axis. So reflection is just a fancy word for flip. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these points Q, G, and O, and I'm going to flip it across the x-axis. So a key word here is x-axis. We have to be able to identify which axis is my x-axis. And knowing from me, since I'm the best, we know the x-axis is the horizontal axis, which would be that red line on your screen. Okay, so now I want to figure out how many jumps it takes me to get from these points to my line. Well, let's start with L. L takes me 2 jumps, and I want 2 jumps down, so I continue to go 2 more jumps down, and then I record my point, and that would be L prime. G, I jump down 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps to my line. So again, I jump down 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. I put my point, and I label this point G prime. Q, well, since Q is below my line, I need to go up 1 jump. So then I have to go up 1 more jump on my graph. And I label this point Q prime. I then will connect my points to make my triangle, and this would be a reflection across the x-axis. Oh, excuse me, let me get that all away. Okay, so if I were to take this and fold this picture in half over here, then these points L, G, and Q would all lie on my new image. So that's a reflection across the x-axis. So now let's look at number 2, which is a reflection across the line y equals 3. You have to identify where on this graph y equals 3. Do not be confused. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, so I go up to where y is equal to 3, and I make a straight line across this line here. So this is the line y equals 3. I also jump. I start with U. I jump down 2 spots to get to my line. I jump down 2 more spots to get to my line, and this would be U prime. L, I jumped up 2 spots, so I jump up 2 spots. This would be L prime. X, I jumped down 2 spots, so I jump down 2 spots, and I'll label this X prime. Connecting my, ooh, that's bad, sorry. Connecting my points, as you can see, some of them overlap. This would what my picture would look like if I reflected across the line y equals 3. So I hope this helped you with your homework tonight. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I should be checking that a little later on tonight because it goes right to my phone. Or then you could just ask your questions in class tomorrow. All right, thanks. Have a good evening.